So you want to sell digital products on Etsy, but you don't know how to list them for your customers to be able to purchase them. Look no further. In this video, I will show you how to do all that, how to list your first digital products on Etsy. Okay, let's get there. So I have this image created right here in Canva. The background is transparent, okay? And then I have my text down here. This is great for a shirt, okay? So this here, I'm going to download it as a PNG with a transparent background for a shirt. Let me tell you, the size here is 12 by 12 inch. I want it as big as possible. 12 by 12 inch with a transparent background. So let's download it. I'll go to share and then I'll go to download, and then I will have here PNG. You can click in here and find PNG right here, and then the size is 2000 by 2000, but I'm going to make it bigger, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, like make them bigger, or if you want to, you can rag it up. Yeah, and I will select here transparent background. Make sure that you select it if you want your image to have a transparent background. If you don't select it, it won't be available to you. It will be downloaded with a white background, okay? And also, to be able to download images with a transparent background, to be able to use the transparent background feature, you need to have Canva Pro, okay? And then after I'm done with all this, I'm going to click on download, and then it will be downloaded into my computer, okay? Hey there, Saskia here. Your support means everything to me and my family. If you're watching my videos and you find value in them, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also leave me questions in the comment section. I will come back and read all of them, and if there's something, I'll tell you what it is. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. And let's go back to the video. Okay, after we downloaded the image our customer will use, now we're going to create like mock-ups for our product. Let's do that. Okay, here we have the image. We have downloaded it already. Don't worry about anything anymore. Now we're going to add one more page here, and then we'll go to look for mockups in Canva. Go to elements. Let's go to shirts. Type in here shirts, and then there are so many shirts here. I will go to photos, and here you can find mock-ups like shirts and people with shirts and all that. Okay, let's look for cute shirts. You can find kids. Let's put kids in here. Kids. Okay, she's cute. Let's put her here. We're going to create a mock-up with her. A mock-up. Let's remove the background. You need Canva Pro to remove the background, but you can also leave the background on. Okay. Canva Pro. Okay, right here. Okay. Now we go here. Actually, we can upload the file that we downloaded. Let me see if we have them here. I'll upload it really quick. Okay, here it is. Okay, here is the file. I will select it, and then I will make them smaller, and then we turn it a little bit, not too squarely. Yeah, but like so. You have it on here. I think you can do it better like on here. Okay, so we have one. We can download this as a mock-up. Let's go back to shirts. Let's see this guy right here. Okay, in this one we are not gonna remove the background, and we go back here to our uploads, grab it here and put them in here. Okay, we have them here. That's cute. Let's go to another one. Go back to elements. Let's go back to elements. Scroll down. We have all these kids here. Oh, she is cute. I think it's the same kid. Let's create. You can come up back here, copy, and put it here. I think it's the same kit. We can make it bigger. Maybe come. Okay, one other thing we can do, I'll leave that for another day. Is like change the color of the shirt and then add this little guy here. I like him. Okay. I copy it and I'll place it on here. You see that? This is possible with DTF. Okay, so all this, let's say, well, these are our mockups that we're going to use. Never post this one. If you want to post this one, you need to place a watermark over it. Okay, I have videos about watermarks down here in my YouTube channel, but if you place it like this, they won't buy it. They will take it from online and use it, but well, they will never buy it from you. Okay, and one thing you can also do is to add your logo. Like in this case, I will add this here, like add this right here, and I will make it a little bit transparent, and then I will copy him from here and bring it down, add him here. Okay. If you don't have a logo, you don't have to do anything. You do not have to do anything. Okay, and then you will download all these files, not this one, but two up to let's go here, download, go to share, download, you go here, deselect, I put in here 2 to 5, 2 to 5, click on done. We don't have to do transparent background, no, download. So we have downloaded all our mockups. Okay, let's go to the next phase, creating a product description for our listing.